Hello, hello. What going bad, bro? You good? You want to see I want a stage show there? I go still, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know the big stage show keep up in Connecticut every year, man. Yeah, yeah, forward up there, you know. Yeah, man. Some big artists there on the show still, you know. Yeah, man. Some big artists. Popcorn, Massacre, Tommy Lee, Squash, Chronicler, and Niger Boy. You mean saying I know a Niger Boy and a Jamaica, you the star? No, man. You not go on good, bro. You don't know a Niger Boy, man? Pan the dirty money rhythm. Yeah, man. I'm me attack, man. Yeah, man. Sure, they go hot. They have few artists up here too. Yeah, man. Yeah. All the artists from up here. Forward there, you know? Yeah, man. All Breezy and them boy, they depend it still, you know? Yeah, man. But I one artist me I go for see still, you know? Yeah, man. And a Niger boy, you know? As soon as he perform, I leave, you know? Yeah, because they have to go and work a morning. Yeah. So you fix up the car yet, bro? No? What you mean say you don't fix up the car and you send your money to Western Union, man? What kind of thing that you are going with, bro? Can't trust the eye then, man. No, man. You want to see? What you mean say the money blow up to fix up the rims and buy tire? Then I saw things expensive down at Jamaica. Brother. So all my youth them good at down there suffer then. Got money when me I send good at can't help them. Yeah man, every week me send 300 US come give them, you know. Yeah man, every week me send 300 US come give Castle there to look after our children them man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Alright, alright. Alright, tomorrow we link up tomorrow. Okay, go and hold it. Why I want to tell you say the snow of me are way up here still, you know, me I tell you say, me I tell you man, a 2 coat me have on and the snow still a beat me bad, me I tell you brother. Yeah man, you know, easy up here man. Alright, you know me I tell you say me I shiver. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.